was donated in the fall of 2014. It is an exact replica casted by the same foundry in London. It even has an artificial crack in the side, but it does not ring. This is Atrium 1. Outside vendors will set up here frequently, as well as student organizations that are fundraising. This is Atrium 2, a space used for lounging, studying, and for special events, such as book fairs and job fairs. Student Organization Expo is held here at the beginning of each semester. This is a new event that showcases our 90-plus organizations in one place and encourages students to join a new organization. This is the Signal newspaper office. The Signal is our student-published newspaper. The Signal is now available online at uaclsignal.com. This is the bookstore. The bookstore is owned by Barnes & Noble. Students can rent or purchase books, UHCL gear, and personal items. Electronic books are also available. The bookstore has a book buyback program which allows students to sell their books back at the end of each semester. Scantron and other testing materials can also be purchased here. Art gallery. Graduate students and faculty artwork shows are displayed here. This is the Math Center. Math tutoring is available during posted hours. Study rooms and whiteboards are also available for students to use inside. This is the UCT Support Center. Students can check out laptops here for up to 3 hours at a time that can be used campus-wide. The center can also help students set up their Wi-Fi on their personal laptops to work on campus. This is the UHCL Copy Center. They offer printing and copy services for the campus. You can email your copy to colorprint@uhcl.edu, and you can pick it up on your way to class. They can even print non-class related items like graduation invitations or custom calendars. They also offer faxing, scanning, binding, and lamination services. Feel free to come by and take any literature on the table outside of their office. This is the Alfred Newman Library, which houses over 500,000 books and resources. There is an interlibrary loan program that allows students to request books and materials from other participating libraries for no extra charge. This includes all University of Houston libraries. Students can check out up to 99 books at a time with their student ID. Electronic resources can be accessed from the library website by signing in with UHCL web login. The third floor contains individual study rooms, collaboration arbors with wall-sized whiteboards, and a practice room for presentations. Almost all of the software available in the computer labs is also available in the library. The third floor houses the University Community Johnson Space Center and curriculum archives for education majors. This is the office of our president, Dr. Ira Blake. This is the Patio Cab. Come to Montague's Deli in Java City, now serving Starbucks coffee. They also have specialty days such as Taco Day or Baked Potato Day. There is also a patio area outside for students to enjoy. Food trucks also visit the campus throughout the week to offer students a variety of dining experiences. Thank you for taking the UHCO virtual tour. In the future, we'll be adding more buildings and high-quality 360 images. Also, I know I'm a good tour guide, but we'll be getting help from students that work at Orientation Services to record videos closer to the on-site tour. If you want to take the tour again, look at the portal that appears when the video has ended. Hello, welcome to the University of Houston Clear Lake virtual tour.